Looking for a quick, easy, and delicious snack idea? These cheesy puff pastry hot dog bites are the perfect solution. All you need is hot dog sausages, puff pastry, and cheddar cheese. Place a slice of cheddar on the puff pastry. Add a hot dog, roll it up, then cut into 1-inch pieces. Arrange on a parchment-lined tray and bake at 220 degrees Celsius or 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Golden, cheesy, and irresistible. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.